Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another old school soul food YouTube video. And today we're going to be making breakfast. So just pretend like it's morning, which it actually is. I'm going to show y'all how to do a perfect omelet. I don't like my omelets to be too brown when I cook them. I don't like them to be overcooked. I'm very picky when it comes to my eggs. I like a nice fluffy egg. I like a nice fluffy omelet. I don't like it to be dark. I go to a lot of restaurants and things and order omelets, and it just amazes me how people can't cook something simple as an egg. That should be the initial, vocal point of cooking is an egg. Very simple, but I'm gonna show you my version of doing a omelet here. Please like the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please comment, and please share the video if you like it. So what I got here is three simple ingredients. I'm making a ham and cheese omelet. Of course, you have a variety of millions of different kind of omelets that you can make. Ham and cheese is my favorite. You can put mushrooms in it, bell peppers, onions. This is an array, unlimited array of ways you can cook an omelet. But I got 3 eggs in here. I got about a tablespoon of milk and some salt and pepper. And I use white pepper, of course, so I don't like the look of black pepper. Yeah, I think it just makes the food don't look presentable when the black speck's in there. So I use white pepper where you have the taste of it, but you can't see it. So with that being said, I'm gonna put some butter here in the skillet. Not too much. Very simple. You don't want the skillet to be too hot, but you don't want it to be too cold either. Then you add your eggs in here. Turn the fire up. Now this is the tricky part. What you want to do is cook your eggs like this. You pull it forward, and all them eggs gonna cook as you pulling it forward. Keep doing just like this. Again. Again. Now, when you got it, all the eggs pretty much cooked, then here comes the tricky part. Some people fold those over in the skillet, but I like to flip mine over. See? Flip mine over. See, there's no color on there. Then this one I add my cheese and my ham. That's it. Mash it down there. Turn the fire off. Go around the bottom of the skillet, and you're gonna fold it right onto the plate, just like that. See that? You got a perfectly cooked omelet. There's no brown on it. The egg is perfectly cooked. There's no color on the egg. It's nice and fluffy and very simple. See how simple that is? So yeah, try this. This is really not a recipe. It's just a technique. And practice makes perfect. Like I say, I've been in many restaurants and many food establishments and order breakfast, order eggs. Number one, the egg is too dry. Number two, the eggs is brown in color because it's a science of cooking eggs. It's very simple, very quick, but you can't overcook it. That's the key. So try this technique, try the recipe. Not really a recipe, just eggs with ham and cheese. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please comment, please share. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. I forgot to show y'all how it look inside, so just want to show you the cheese is melted in there. See how the cheese is melted? And like I say, the egg is nice and fluffy. Very good, very flavorful. Oh, the egg is already seasoned, so I don't need any salt and pepper on here. The ham I cut thin. so it will warm as it flip into the hot egg. Of course, the cheese is going to melt when the egg go inside the hot egg. So anyway, again, try this recipe like I said before. Very simple way to cook omelets. And until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.